How to create an account on LinkedIn. In order to create an account on LinkedIn, you need to follow these steps. Open up your respective app store first thing on your device. On the search bar, type in LinkedIn and make sure to install the app. In my case, I happen to install it already, so click on the open button. So this is where it will take you. Now then you want to click on join now at the bottom of the page, add in the first name and the last name, click the continue button, go with the email address that you wish to register, click the continue button. Now you want to go ahead and set a password, click the continue button. As you do it so, you will then be taken to the next field where you have to do a quick security check. So here, basically, it's going to ask you to type in the verification code that will be sent to your email address or registered email. And after which, you could also go ahead and read the terms and condition, all that stuff. And within that, you'll have successfully created your LinkedIn account. And next, what you could do is simply go ahead and upload your resume, bio, whatever that you like. And this way, you'll have successfully created an account on LinkedIn. That's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.